Wow. Welcome back to Schmy's Encounters. Another week, another vid, another day in the garage.
Hello.
Me so finally has a day off work. So today, let's turn some lights on first. Today, we're gonna work on this some more. So, well, actually, I threw his back to yesterday when I decided to go around and peel all the, what's them called it out of the gutters, body sealant. So we'll flick back to that now.
Yes, you will. Cause you are my soulmate. Yes, you are. Yes, you are the only one to tell you. You got the.
So yeah, that's pulling all the sealer out of the body, the gutters yesterday. Also went through and cleaned up the edge of the windscreen. Found a heap of silicon, not Sikaflex, not body sealant, silicon. So I pulled that literally out of that front edge. So someone definitely loved their dodgy repairs. It's not the first time I found silicon in this car. Like this rear window here was all siliconed in. So that's literally like bathroom tile sealant. Same kind of thing, but it's not meant for automotive. So that can go in the bin. So hopefully today the plan is to get the roof off this thing. So I've already gone through earlier, showed the misso how to drill out the spot welds using our mighty little kip here. So yeah. So now in there, if you very carefully get that under that edge. Real hard to do one-handed, but you can see a bit of flexing in there. And then you one of these things. This thing is old. There we go. There's ever so slightly. Probably better from there. There's a little bit of movement. So those two welds are done. Got to go through and find all the spot welds in around all this rust, which is probably right there where there is no rust. Then you can see the other two spot welds there, which are a pain in the butt to get to. I've also got to go through and cut this out. That corner's going to be fun to remake, but luckily I have a roof upstairs, so let's get this girl's top off. Yeah. Wow, so there you go, roof's off. It's actually not too bad. The car did just get pushed back in the corner. We just flipped this roof skin over. It is pretty wrecked. You see someone's been spraying cavity wax and stuff in it. But that's the drivers where I had to cut it out. Kind of makes me wonder what plant this was done in, because I've never seen a dark green primer, even though it's had a lot of heat on it. I've never seen them as a dark green primer. So the 60s were made in 3 different plants. I don't know the name of them. I know the name of them, I don't know how to pronounce them, but I've known 2 plants. This must be the 3rd plant, because I've never seen that roof primer. Well, that coloured primer, even though this is 30 years old. But yeah, it actually shows how bad the rust is. So you can see, even where there wasn't any issues, look at the colorations. Yeah, big blowout. That's where the hole is into the frame. So it's also needing a fair bit of panel beating, because by looks this thing's been in hail or something, but I don't know. It's just got a couple hundred little whiskey dents in the roof.
Character.
Yeah, character. So we're not making this thing completely straight. We'll take most of its dents out, but all the little ones will leave as character. The car's 30 years old, you know. I'm not going to go rewriting a book on it, but yeah, we will pretty much be it for this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And yeah, this is not a tutorial video of how to take a roof off. This is how I'm taking the roof off, being the 2nd roof I've taken off by unstitching. I've done countless other ways, but we won't talk about them. So yeah, so my ute had a roof off when it was full of wagons, so it was like this. These roofs are quite flimsy, as you can see. That one. I know what's happened. Those wheels are bent, and I'll bend them back straight shortly. So yeah, but it's going to be a fun fixer-up. So once the roof is done and the bit of welding on the floor is done, and then we put all the bracketry for all the late model stuff in it, like your clutch booster, your bucket front seats and your center console, pretty much that's all the modifying done. Then I'll go into making the bar work for the vehicle while this one goes through and starts sanding. She's never sanded.
I mean, you can't really make it worse.
That was my enthusiasm when I started my ute. I hated it by the end.
Look,
And I have a third of the cab.
yeah, look, you're just going to get frustrated with me working around work, so.
So, but anyway, that's it for this one. Yeah, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. If you got this far, cheers for watching. So, usually leave a comment down below. Not that anyone does. But leave a comment down below if you enjoy the video and want to see more stuff like this. Well, not so much this, because I don't really like doing this, but it is fun.
Let us know what you like.
Yeah. So, we do have some four-wheel drive trips coming up. Got one in a few weeks. We've got another Southeast Queensland Land Cruiser run. So we'll be taking the dirty old ute out for that. And yeah, the collie's still in the background.
Holly just lives in the background.
So
It's a good
grocery getter.
That's no 60.
It ain't no built 60. So
I need to put a paid not made on that one.
yep. This is how you get paid, made not paid. So making things 100%, fixing all the stupid stuff from factory. If you don't know, these cars come factory with rust. So they're pretty how you going, but yeah. Catch you in the next one. You.